We're team number 1, and we propose the use of biochar to reduce contamination of air due to industry and livestock-related gases.
Air pollution is the presence and prevalence of substances in the air at a concentration that exceeds their normal levels, thus causing potential adverse effects to the health. These substances usually come from industry waste and gases produced from livestock, and their presence in the air is directly related to global greenhouse emissions, global warming, and climate change.
Air pollution is slowly becoming a major health problem that affects millions of people. It is estimated by the World Health Organization that every year 2.4 million people die because of the effects of air pollution on health.
Particulate matter is a mixture suspended in the air that is composed of solid and liquid particles and is released into the atmosphere when gasoline, coal, wood, and diesel fuels are burned. Those particles can also be produced by chemical reactions of organic compounds and nitrogen oxides that occur in the environment.
Livestock and vegetation are also sources of particulate matter. In almost every place, the production of particulate matter is related and attributed to transportation, coal fire, and agriculture industries. The three main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, and nitrous oxide. Even though the attention is focused in carbon dioxide and nitrous oxide, has a global warming potential of 296 times greater than carbon dioxide and methane, a global warming potential of 33 times greater than carbon dioxide. Globally, almost 56 land animals are reared and slaughtered annually for human consumption, and the livestock inventories are expected to double by the year of 2050. The livestock industry is responsible for 30 to 40% of annual anthropogenic methane emissions that result from some processes such as enteric fermentation in ruminants and from farm animal manure. Also, the manure and urine from farm animals that is deposited on the soil emit nitrous oxide, and in the United States those emissions have an increment of 10% between 1990 and 2005, and this increment can be traced to changes in the poultry industry.
Biochar is charcoal produced by low oxygen heating of organic materials made from waste wood, manure, or leaves. This material can improve agricultural productivity. It may offer due to its high porosity, high surface area, and high cation exchange capacity. When it is added to soil, the carbon has shown to boost crop yield, lessen the need for fertilizer, and reduce pollutants by storing nitrogen that is released to the atmosphere. It is proved that biochar impacts the soil nitrogen cycle and how it reduces nitrous oxide. Rice University showed that 67% reduction in NO emissions in the United States could reduce annual health impacts of agricultural air pollution by $660 million. A suitable biochar can be used to help combat climate change by holding in soil and displacing fossil fuel use. It is also used for waste management and water pollution.
Exposure to local ozone and fine particulate matter is associated with increased risks of premature morbidity and mortality, which carry considerable societal costs. Nitrous oxide is a greenhouse gas that contributes to depletion of the stratospheric ozone layer. Nitrogen oxide contributes to the formation of local ozone and particulate matter. Influences on nitrogen dynamics in fertilized soils. It has been proved to increase the recalcitration fraction of soil organic carbon and decrease emissions of greenhouse gases from soil.
It is also an easy way to recycle. It works as a co-catalyst and at low costs. Its main disadvantage is that it has a relatively low efficiency and low abrasive resistance compared with commercial catalysts.
Other application is soil amendment. One advantage of this process is its low-cost, sustainable resource. It has been used to retain water and nutrients and also to reduce fertilizer consumption, greenhouse gas emission, and nutrient loss. One disadvantage of this is that it can have possibly heavy metals and polycyclic aromatic hydrocarbons as contaminants.